Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another Cash App money making video. Okay, so here we are, we're taking a look at this video today. I like to do these because we get to see some ridiculous stuff, some interesting stuff, and we break it down. We see if it's legit, we see if it's a scam, we see what it's all about, and I let you guys know if you should do this. So today we're looking at Square Cash App make $500 a day. This video has 1,000 likes and it has 234,000 views. Now here's the thing about this video. This is an OG Cash App video from 2015. So it's also interesting because we get to see the interface back in the day when Cash App was first released. We get to see what it looked like back in 2015, which is much different than what it looks like now. So let's go ahead, play this video, see what this dude is talking about, see if it's legit or not. So he's saying, set up your app, receive $5 over and over again from this amazing company. So I think he's just talking about the invitation service. So you could invite people to Cash App, and then if they signed up, you would get $5. So he's going through all the steps to sort of say how that works. This is super interesting just looking at the interface. This is so much different. And the activity screen is in a different spot. So he's saying if you invite 100 people a day and they all sign up, you get the $5 invitation bonus. So that's $500 a day. It is a real thing, it's just a lot harder than what he's explaining it to be. You know, actually getting 100 people to sign up per day and have legitimate accounts and finish the sign up process. Pretty difficult. So he's saying you have to request $1 from the person that invited you. Might have been how it worked back in the day. In order to activate the $5 bonus, you have to do a transaction. So they would request $1, this dude would send them $1, and then they're supposed to send it back. But that's it. I mean, it was a legitimate method back in the day. It could technically still work now. Like, I have my sign up link in the description for this video, so if you guys use my link, we'll both get $5 for free. It's legitimate. So like all these green ones here are invitation bonuses. So I do get quite a bit. If you want to make $500 a day doing that, you have to be like putting in some serious work and probably promoting your link in places that you're not supposed to. So is that a job? I don't think so. Is it easy? This guy's title makes it seem easy, but it's not going to be an easy thing to do. Still a cool video to see like all these old school Cash App interfaces and how they vary from what the app looks like now. They used to just have the profile in the top left, the activity in the top right, and then this main screen. You guys can see they added this whole tab bar down here on the bottom. Now they've got your wallet, they've got the card, peer-to-peer payments, investing, activity, all types of stuff. This is a full service investing and banking app. You can invest in stocks and Bitcoin now. So it's crazy how far they've come. And also if we take a look at the all-time stock chart for Square, the company that owns Cash App. Cash App is a huge part of their success lately. It's a big deal. It's a competitor for all other companies and apps where you can purchase stocks, Bitcoin, digital assets, and they're going to continue to keep building up this app, adding things to it. So if you're not using Cash App, I highly recommend looking into it. If you've never invested in your life, I highly recommend downloading Cash App. You can invest as little as $1 into stocks or Bitcoin. You know, you can find a stock that you're interested in, invest $1, start to learn how it works, start to learn investing. People ask me all the time on my videos, how do you get started investing? Like, what should I do? Should I buy this or should I buy that? I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't give you like investing advice, but I can say just come to Cash App and invest $1 into something that you're interested in. You know, it's just $1. See what happens. Look at it once a day over the course of the week. See how the chart works. See if it's going up or down in value. You know, just check it out. That's all you gotta do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Also check out the other Cash App videos on my channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.